How to teach a dog to walk on a leash in 3 simple steps. It's helpful to learn to heel first in busy environments. Young dogs are easily distracted and anxious in crowded settings. You can call your dog back to you and restart by using the heel cue as a backup. The following 3 steps will help you train your dog to walk on a leash. 1. Keep snacks in your pocket so you may give them rewards as necessary. As long as your dog is not yanking on the leash, let them explore. 2. If you've already taught your dog to heel, halt, call it back, and put it in that posture if your dog pulls. This is where heel first becomes useful for teaching. You can let the dog out of the heel position and restart moving once it stops pulling. Make it a habit to cease moving as soon as your dog pulls if you haven't yet worked on this cue. The aim is for the dog to comprehend that pulling must cease. You can also try to turn around and move away from the trigger as soon as the dog starts pulling if the dog is a leash-reactive dog or gets overly enthusiastic. Dogs are very smart, and if you stop them from pulling or turn around when they do, they will quickly learn that the only way to go forward is to walk with a slack leash. It's important to have patience. Start out slowly and don't train for more than a few minutes a day. Being patient is often the hardest aspect for dog owners since it takes time. Last words. It can be difficult to get a puppy to walk on a leash. But if you go into it with the right mindset, it can also be enjoyable. If you need more information, just click the link below the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.